I know my Ghana people by now we're all salivating because we love our eggs. Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be making potato salad. One of my favorite things to eat. It's pretty easy to make as well. And of course we'll be needing some potatoes, some boiled eggs, some parsley, some cucumbers, some carrot, chopped sausages, and then for the salad dressing I'm going to be using a mixture of mayo, mustard, and some salad cream. We want to make sure that we cook our potatoes and then leave them to cool. And so for this particular recipe, I'm going to peel the potatoes, chop them up, and then boil them in some water with salt, some black pepper, and some onion powder, just so that the potatoes get some flavor. Now you can absolutely do this by just boiling the potatoes as is, and then once they are boiled and ready, you can just peel off the skin. So once we've got our potatoes boiling, we're just going to go ahead and prepare the rest of our ingredients. We're just going to remove the seeds from the cucumbers and then cut them into pieces. We're also going to be chopping some sausages. It's optional, so you do not have to put them in there. And then we're going to chop the onions and then put them in some vinegar. And also we're going to be putting the vinegar into the potato salad. We're going to remove the skin from the carrots and then just pass them through a grater. We're also going to be chopping our eggs, of course. I know my Ghana people by now we're all salivating because we love our eggs. And so we're just going to get all of that ready. So now our potatoes are cool. All of our ingredients are ready. So we basically just have to mix everything together until it's nice and uniform. At this point, you can also taste whether there's enough salt. If there isn't, you can add a bit. Of course, we're also going to be adding some parsley as well as garlic chives. I'm adding the garlic chives just because I don't have regular chives, but that works well also. Once we've mixed all that together and the color is looking absolutely beautiful, we're going to go ahead with our dressing. Now for the dressing, you can of course just use mayonnaise, but I find that this combination is the best combination. It's a bit tangy, it's a bit sweet, it's a bit tart, and for me this is just the perfect potato salad. And so we're going to be mixing the three, like I said, the mustard, the mayonnaise, and the salad cream. And of course we're going to be adding a bit of milk just so that we thin it out so that it's not too thick. Luckily I got some lactose-free milk. I'm lactose intolerant. I mean, if I didn't have lactose-free milk, I would have used regular milk. I really don't care. It tells you a thing about lactose intolerant people, but that's how we are, pretty stubborn. We're just going to pour that all over the potato salad. Give that a good mix. Full recipe as usual, gingerandseasalt.com. So check that out. There you have your potato salad, absolutely delicious. Easy to make, and if you haven't made it or you find it a bit daunting, then I hope that this video makes it easier for you. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Now I'm off to go and eat this salad for dinner. That's what's on the menu tonight. And so I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!